channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Bare Minerals Ethereal Nudes collection. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. This is what the outer packaging does look like. You get 6 different shades. You get the shade Tantalize, Must Have, Hype, Bestie, Boss, and Swag. You get 2 Buttercream lip glosses, 2 lip lacquers, and 2 matte liquid lipsticks. So let's open this up and see what this looks like. And this does retail for $29 at Ulta. When you open up the packaging, this is what the collection does look like. It is super cute, and I definitely think this is a good value for holiday. You have 2 full-size liquid lipsticks, you have 2 lip glosses, and then you have 2 matte lipsticks. So let's get into the swatches. So the first shade is a gloss, and this is in the shade Tantalize. I love Bare Minerals Doe Foot Applicator because it is dual-ended. Let's see what this shade does look like. That's a really pretty gloss. Let me do another swatch. 2 swatches of the lip gloss, and look how pigmented that is. Let's see what this looks like on the lips. I love the shade in this gloss because it's your lips but better. I love how this gloss did cover up my dark lips, and it's not sticky whatsoever. When I press my lips together, you don't get that goopiness or stickiness to it. That's why I love Bare Minerals formula. If you guys have been watching me for a long time, you guys know I don't like lip glosses, especially sticky lip glosses, and this lip gloss I'm super happy with. On the Ulta.com website, this lip gloss is described as a honey-eyed almond lip gloss. The next gloss shade is called Must Have. Another super opaque gloss. I definitely think these two are universal shades, and they will work with any skin complexion. Let's see what this shade does look like. I love how opaque this gloss is, and again, this shade is definitely universal, just as the previous shade in the shade Tantalize. I love these 2 glosses so far. They are very pigmented, they are high shine, and they're not sticky at all. This shade is described as a mid-tone neutral rose shade, which I really do love. The next shade is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Hype. Ooh, this is a really pretty shade. And this shade is described online as a muted burnt peach shade. Matte liquid lipstick is described as a high shine lip lacquer. First of all, let's talk about this shade. I love this shade. It complements my skin complexion so nicely. Not only that, but I don't mind that this liquid lipstick is very high shine and glossy. Oh my goodness, I would never gravitate towards this type of liquid lip, but I really do love this shade. I love this formula. It's not sticky at all whatsoever. Look at that. You're not getting that goopiness. That's what I love about Bare Minerals. Definitely loving this collection so far. So let's see what the next shade does look like. The shade is called Bestie. Let's see what this shade does look like. Ooh, this is a really pretty shade as well. And this is described online as a soft petal pink shade. That's gorgeous. Guys, I'm loving this collection so far. I love this shade too. It complements my skin complexion. Oh my goodness. I love Bare Minerals. This is such a good shade. It doesn't wash me out. Normally whenever I try a soft petal pink shade in like any brand, it normally washes me out, or it's like a bubblegum pink shade or a Barbie pink shade or like a neon shade. But this shade is gorgeous. I am so happy with this shade. I'm excited. I want to go on to the next shade. Now moving on to my favorite formula, and that's the matte liquid lipsticks. So this is in the shade Boss. Ooh, that's pretty too. This shade is described as a dirty pink beige shade. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. About this matte liquid lipstick formula. I love how whipped this matte liquid lipstick is. It does sit comfortably on the lips, and I'm pretty sure it is going to last a long time on the lips. I waited till this matte liquid lipstick did kind of dry down a little bit. This matte liquid lipstick in Boss is definitely gorgeous on the lips, and I'm pretty sure it is going to dry down matte, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to transfer, so let's do a little kiss test to see if it does. Okay, so it wasn't dried down completely, so it does transfer. But we are going to see if these shades are transfer proof. So I'm going to remove the shade Boss, and I am going to apply the shade in Swag. Here we have the last matte liquid lipstick in the collection, and this shade is called Swag. Let's see what this shade does look like. Ooh, I don't know. This is like that bubblegum pink shade that I was telling you guys earlier about. But let's see what this looks like on the lips. The shade Swag, as described online, is a blushing mauve shade, but I kind of disagree with the description because I definitely think this would be like a pinky bubblegum pink shade. Well, on me it's looking a little bit more pinkier than mauvey, but this shade, the shade Swag, I'm not really a fan of in this collection. I don't really like these like bubblegum pink or like pink shades in general. I like more of like a neutral shade or a Your Lips But Better shade, or even like a darker, bolder lip. Like when I tried on the shade Hype, I love this Hype shade. It is gorgeous, but I'm gonna leave this matte shade on for a little bit. Overall, my thoughts on this collection is positive. I do recommend you guys purchasing this collection. For $29, you do get 6 different finishes. You get 2 glosses, you get 2 high shine liquid lips, and then you get 2 matte liquid lipsticks. Plus, these shades are universal in my opinion. They are very wearable. It's not like you aren't going to wear any of these shades. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be wearing all of these shades. I don't know about the shade Swag. I feel like this shade on my lips currently, I don't think that I would wear this shade alone. I would probably pop this shade in the center of Boss, the previous matte lip lipstick that I tried on earlier. But I really do love this collection so far, you guys, and I definitely think it's a great value, and I would highly recommend you guys checking it out. So now that I have had this matte lip lipstick on my lips for a little bit, maybe like 2 minutes, let's see if it did dry down. So it's still a little bit wet. I think these matte lip lipsticks do dry down because it is still rubbing off on my hand. But of course, I will keep you guys updated in the description box down below. I don't think I'll be rocking this shade throughout my entire day. I'm just gonna remove this shade because for me it's not very my shade. I think you guys know what shade that I am going to be wearing throughout my entire day. It's going to be the shade Hype because I really do love this shade. I was not expecting to like this gloss, but surprisingly I really do like it. I will be wearing the shade Hype throughout my entire day, and if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.